We analyze the different components that make those beautiful cuts and try to figure out which are the key components that we need to mimic in order to achieve those beautiful cuts of meat. We identified three main components: the muscle, the blood, and the fat. These are the components that we need to mimic in order to reach the perfect, beautiful steak.
Our technology can create whole muscle cuts just as a cow can produce that in a much more efficient way with a lower cost, and of course it's much better for the environment. This is the biggest problem we face today as humanity, and this is the best way to fight climate change, to deliver healthier solution and food to the entire population of the planet. We can do the entire cow, not only one part of the cow. Steaks, roast, slow cooking, grilling, everything that an animal can do, we want to do the same or even better. We want to work with more and more chefs around the world, more and more meat distributors, and we don't see a reason that this can't be in the table of everybody in every country around the world.